What is Arjav actually? Arjav is a very simple thing. What I say, it is truthfulness. What we do, we must be truthful. Our speech, our thoughts, our speech, our action, our deed, whatever, they should be truthful. So this is the Arjav. Daya, another quality. What is Daya? Daya means to all the people around, we must be compassionate about. We must have compassion in our mind, in our heart. Or in our when we meet people actually what happened? Our heart, and that means our mind, our heart, always is just very hard, tough. It is not smooth, not soft. With culture of daya, this compassion, what happens? This heart becomes soft, very soft. Tosh, another quality which I was mentioning through that verse. Tosh means santosh. That means be satisfied with whatever you have. Be satisfied. Satisfaction is something very important thing. Be satisfied. These are the three qualities. And then comes Satya. Satya, you all heard about it. Truth. Truth is what? The absolute truth. Accept it. Accept it. It is there in everything. Even in the coronavirus, even in everything, it is the consciousness everywhere. The God Himself has become everything. You, me, everything. Everything. So accept it. Accept it. So truth. So he said if you wish to get liberated, mukti michhasi chetat, O son, O dear son, if you wish to attain that supreme liberation, then you must have these qualities. Kshama, arjava, daya, tosha, satyam, sada, piyush vadate. Always you have it like, nectar. Amrita. Piyush means amrita. Nectar. You have it like that. This will, make you healthier. So these are the few qualities. So in Yog Vasishtha Raman, Vasishtha was, in the same way, was telling Ram that Ram, you already have these qualities in you. Already have all the qualities in you which are needed for a seeker. Seeker, one who seeks the supreme truth, absolute truth. So you have already all these qualities in you. Now what you need actually, you will first need to know that you are the only one that exists actually, nothing else. Whatever you see, whatever you are seeing, that is false. That is Maya. So this ignorance that you are seeing and this scene is very bad to you. So good, bad is nothing. It is all Maya. You went to cinema hall, movie theater. In the movie theater, the screen is there. Upon the screen, projection is there. Different kinds of movies are going on. In the movie, somewhere there's fire is there. So fire brigade came and throw water upon it, douse the fire. Okay, but is there fire actually there, or even water was being thrown upon it? Was it true? Neither of it. Always there was a screen there. Upon it, everything was being projected. In the same way, whatever you are seeing, whatever is seen, this scenery, whatever is the scenery, whatever you are witnessing, scenery, all the things is false. Only truth is the consciousness, which is nothing but yourself. You are the one. And how you can achieve it? You just carry on listening to it. When you keep on listening to it, somehow you shall achieve this thing. By how? One day, because when I firstly went to Bhagavan, very beginning, I was in school, possibly. Yes, I was in school. My school days were there. So, Maharaji is there now. Maharaji and Bhagavan used to live in one railway quarter then, 56B. So I went there. So Bhagavan actually narrated about Vedanta for maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours. He was speaking like that, and in the just end of it, he was just telling me, what is the Brahman about it? How can I know it? I asked him, how can I, achieve that supreme being? I asked. So he then asked me, can you touch yourself? So I touched myself. So like this, I touched myself. And then Bhagavan said, how did you touch actually? This is also you and this is also you. Then how can you touch yourself? Then suddenly I realized, yes, how can I touch myself? I can never touch myself. Then this is Maya. You are already that. You are the Brahman, but you never know. You know yourself to be this human body. Okay, you are to be human. Okay, you have a mind, you have a family, you have duties around you, you have job, you have work for these people, that people. You know many things, but you never know that you are the Supreme. To know that, what you need to do, you need to, negate everything. You are not this, you are not that, you are not that, you are not this body, not mind, not intellect. Like, we chant like, Om Manu Buddham Kar Chittani Naham. So I am not the mind, not the body, not this intellect, nothing. So what I am? I am Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shiva. I am that consciousness, I am that consciousness itself. So know it. How? Just focus on your mind. Slow. Focus.